I'm sure you've heard the news. Farm animals are smarter than you think. Let's find out why. Let's bust the myth that farm animals are just simple creatures. They're way more than that. Studies show they can solve problems, understand social cues, and even have self-awareness. Today, we're counting down the top 5 smartest farm animals. Number 5. Pigs. These clever creatures can solve complex puzzles and mazes. They can even recognize themselves in mirrors. Number 4. Sheep, masters of navigation and memory. They remember faces and routes like pros. Number 3. Chickens, not just egg layers, folks. They recognize people and can even plan for the future. Number 2. Goats, curious and clever. They can open gates and recognize human faces. And the number 1 spot goes to cows. These unsung heroes have complex social lives and can even use tools. So next time you see these animals, give them the respect they deserve. They're way smarter than we give them credit for. Stay tuned for more on Farming Meets Tech.